I don't practice Santeria. I ain't got no crystal ball. Well, I had $1 million, but I'd spend it all if I
Alright guys, so what we're doing today is we're unboxing the second Japan crate box. And I know there's some of you that are going to like this and some of you that aren't going to like this. I'm doing this with a wide angle on my iPhone lens, but I thought it would be cool, again, just to let you guys know. It's $35 for the premium box, and every box you get a description of what's in the box, and then you get a little card you could scratch off, and I got $3 off, so whoop-de-doo, as they say. But the box basically comes looking like this, and then we'll go through each item on a different angle and sort of talk about what comes in your box. And again, this is sort of the description of what comes in each box. So let's take a look at it. Let me switch things up here. We'll go back to a regular angle and go like this and take a look at the different things. So the first thing is the drink, obviously, and this is the Japanese. This is actually, I'm sort of psyched for this. This is Pepsi Cola Pineapple. Tropical Pepsi, the limited flavor of cola, has splashes of pineapple flavor. So definitely psyched for this. I won't drink the whole thing. I normally try everything here and then either toss it or bring it into work for people in my office to try. I'm not really big on candies or sweets or snacks, but I like to try different things. And then we got this, and this is a box of, let's take a look. Mochi Choco Mint. These delicious treats mixes a luxurious taste of truffle chocolate with a Japanese taste of mochi. These delectable and rich mini bites are filled with a cool chocolate mint cream and soft mochi outside. So full box of this. I'm not really a big chocolate mint guy, but again, we'll see. And then we got this. I don't know what this nonsensical thing is. Peach sour paper candy, a popular candy described as paper for its special thin texture. This strip packs the sweetness of peach with a sour twist. Again, I'm going to link to Japan Crate in the description, and if you're at all interested, you can subscribe. There's different price tiers, so you can get boxes, I think, as low as 15 or 20 bucks a month. Right? You don't have to get the 35. It comes with a drink and some other special thing. Then we got this, which is the Super Harinko Ice Gum. This bubblegum has a cool ice sensation. Chew on this ice soda gum on a hot day. Maybe we'll give that a try, as it is full right now, and you might see, but you never know. We got this. I don't know. This is probably, this is probably the sort of special do-it-yourself item. Let me see if there's any description. So it looks like a food and fun all-in-one. Each pack comes with a lot of mini candies and surprise tattoos. So I guess we got some mini tattoos in here. Don't know if I'll ever use these, but you don't know. And then look at the birds on this. How fucking dope are the birds? This is Choco Ball High Chew. These limited edition collaboration high chews are flavored as the original Choco Ball flavors: chocolate, caramel, and strawberry high chews. So this could be cool. I kind of like high chews. They're kind of like Japanese Starburst. You got this sort of skeleton looking man. This is the September box, by the way. Electric gum. Power up with this gum. Its energy drink flavor will give your mouth a shock and tingle. Try it if you dare. Probably dare at some point. Why not? Life, you gotta live life risky. This is cider. Some nonsense other than cider. Use this stick to pick up these bite-sized soda flavor mochi, each piece in a cool blue flavor. Wow, it's got a cool blue flavor. Kind of like the bullshit blue colognes. Penguins? What's up with the penguins? Looks like another sort of soda flavor thing. This bubblegum has a cool ice sensation. Chew on this ice soda gum on a hot day. I feel like we already went through something like that, but what do I know? I'm just a stupid person who pays $35 a month for this bullshit. Little bear. Honey. What's going on here? These gummy bears are neither too hard nor too soft. Sounds just right for her. They're just Right, chew on yummy gummy shaped bears and assortment of flavors and colors. There's like 5 in there, so assortment seems kind of tough to believe. But here we got some stuff that looks like it might be legit. Peel Aloha Mango and Butter, and it says, what does it say? These crispy chips are a bright mixture of flavors. This is a limited edition flavor, sweet and balanced, mango and butter. So these could be cool. Definitely bring these into work. We got this nonsense. Again, I don't really like these little nonsensical things. I don't even know if it says anything on this. Oh, traditional Japanese sweet with a taste similar to rock candy. Yeah, this is not going to be up my alley. I don't know. Again, a bird. A little bird is on a candy box. Seems like there's a lot of birds on candy boxes. Grape high chew choco bowl. So a high chew grape flavored candy, and I guess this is the second grape chocolate thing going on. So, and this looks super dope though. These are uni flavored potato chips. Japan loves sea urchin. It's actually the largest consumer of sea urchin. Now is your chance to try luxurious and very rare flavored potato chips. If you ever had sea urchin sushi, it's amazing. It tastes like buttery ocean. It tastes like a creamy ocean sort of thing. And I really like uni, and uni potato chips seem super dope. So I'm actually kind of excited to try these. And then you've got this, and this is little that chef on the front. This is roll cake buttercream. Fluffy roll cake is filled with fragrant sweet buttercream, so it's like a dessert sort of thing. You got this, which is I guess a Pokemon, some sort of Pokemon nonsense. Doesn't even say what this is actually. I guess it's just like a little Pokemon chocolate like add-on. Whatever. I'll give it to a homeless person. And then you have this. What is this? This super juicy chewy stick is a refreshing apple flavor. So it's Fuji apple flavor sort of thing. Could be cool. And then they did bless me with a whole bag of frozen strawberry cheesecake Kit Kats. So I think that's the big prize from this bag, is the frozen strawberry Kit Kats. And again, man, I bring these into work. I let the people, you know, who work for me try these different things, and I think it's just fun. It creates another cool little thing. I really like the drinks, and for 35 bucks, it's sort of another one of those little luxuries in life you can kind of enjoy and not spend a ton of money on. So I don't know if you guys like these videos at all. I'm gonna keep linking to Japan Crate in the description, and if you guys tell me please never play these again, I'll definitely do that and just enjoy Japan Crate on my own. But I think it's a fun thing, and I think some of you guys should subscribe and just try it 1 month, see what you think, and let me know. But I'll see you guys next week, or again, not even next week, soon, with new videos, guys. You know what it is. My name obviously is Maximilian, and there's no Japan Crate in the description.
Yes, I'm coming up. Tell Sanchito that if he knows what is good for him, he